This is a 300 watt power supply upgrade to your original FSP250-50NWV power supply. These were some weird shaped power supplies, but there was a lot of machines that used them. So what we've done is fastened an adapter to one of our 300 watt units that has the exact screw pattern as your old 250 watt FSP250-50NWV. This power supply is electrically compatible with your old power supply, so no need to worry there. It'll fit right in place of where the old one went with no modification. As for connectors, we've got a 20 to 24 pin ATX connector. We've got 3 Molex connectors. We've got a floppy drive connector, SATA connector. I believe how many we got of those? 1 SATA connector? Yeah. 2 SATA connectors. And then there's the P4 plug. So it should have as much or more of the same connectors than your old power supply had. This is the 300 watt replacement for your original 250 watt model FSP 250-50NWV, your model FSP 200-50NWV, and your FSP 150-50NWV.